If you think tornado season only hits in spring, this story proves otherwise. What happened across Indiana and Illinois was violent, fast, and dangerous, and for some communities it turned into a nightmare in minutes. On February 19, 2026, severe storms tore across the Midwest and produced multiple tornadoes, including a stronger tornado near Bloomington, Indiana, and damaging tornadoes in southeastern Illinois. And now we have survey details. Let's break down what happened, where it happened, and what the tornado ratings say. The biggest Indiana tornado confirmed so far was in Monroe County near Bloomington. The National Weather Service gave that tornado a preliminary EF-2 rating with estimated peak winds around 120 miles per hour. It touched down west of the Monroe County Airport at approximately 6:57 p.m. and lifted just west of Interstate 69 around 7:06 p.m. That means it was on the ground for about 9 minutes. Its path length was 3.73 miles, and the widest path width was 440 yards. That is a serious tornado, and it moved through a populated area. Damage reports from Bloomington included impacts near the Monroe County Airport, damaged buildings, homes, and other structures, with widespread debris and power issues reported in the area. Early reports indicated no fatalities and no injuries tied to this Monroe County tornado, which is incredible considering the damage footprint. And there was another Indiana tornado confirmed as well. In Sullivan County, Indiana, preliminary survey results indicated an EF-0 tornado between Paxton and Carlisle. The tornado had maximum estimated winds of 80 miles per hour, a path length of 4.1 miles, and a maximum width of 300 yards, and it was on the ground for about 7 minutes. Survey notes said it damaged several small outbuildings and numerous trees, with no injuries or fatalities reported. So in Indiana, you had at least 2 confirmed tornadoes from this event in the Indianapolis forecast area, an EF-2 in Monroe County near Bloomington and an EF-0 in Sullivan County. Now let's shift to Illinois because the damage there was also significant. In Crawford County, Illinois, near the Hardinville to Flat Rock area, the National Weather Service in Lincoln confirmed a tornado rated EF-1 with estimated peak winds of 110 miles per hour. This tornado tracked about 5 miles and reached a maximum width of 400 yards. It began around 4:20 p.m. Central Time near 4 miles south-southwest of New Hebron and ended around 4:31 p.m. Central Time near 2 miles south of Duncanville. Official survey information lists 1 injury and 0 fatalities. That injury report lines up with earlier local reports from Crawford County, where emergency crews responded to heavily damaged homes and structures. And that's what makes this event so important to study. This was not just one isolated warning. This was a multi-state severe weather setup with enough wind shear and storm organization to produce tornadoes, hail, and damaging winds across the region. In February, some of the strongest concern in Indiana focused near and south of the Interstate 70 corridor earlier in the day, and the environment supported rotating storms capable of producing tornadoes as storms matured and moved east. By the evening, communities in Illinois and Indiana were dealing with real damage, power issues, and emergency response operations. Here's the biggest takeaway. A tornado does not have to be a violent EF-4 or EF-5 to change lives. An EF-1 can destroy homes. An EF-2 in a populated area can cause widespread damage in minutes. And nighttime or evening timing makes everything more dangerous because people have less time to visually confirm what's coming. If you live in the Midwest, this is your reminder right now. Have multiple ways to get warnings. Do not rely only on outdoor sirens. Charge your devices before storms. Know your safe place before the warning is issued, not after. And if you're in a damage zone, avoid downed power lines, stay off debris-covered roads, and let emergency crews work. We'll continue tracking additional survey updates as more ratings are finalized, because some of these numbers can still be revised as teams complete damage assessments. If you want real-time severe weather updates, storm maps, and breakdowns that actually explain what's happening, Follow this page, share this video, and check stormscapes.xyz for more coverage. Stay safe, stay alert, and respect every warning.